Welcome again to my channel. Sebastian here. And I'm voiceover in this one. The phone audio, it didn't sound as good as I would like it to sound. So I just muted the phone audio and I'm taking the opportunity to voice over. Obviously, I'm a voiceover actor anyway for audiobooks, um, IT training videos, as well as documentaries. So why not? So on this project, I'm going to be installing some carbon fiber bits on the Canon RT Limited. To the left there, those two are for the knee panel area. I purchased these a while ago, and I really never get a chance to install it. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it on and see what it looks like. And then, of course, the combination set over here is for the control, the button control area in the Can-Am. I think these bits will add a little bit more personality to the bike. This one right here is for the front, right immediately behind the mirror, the windscreen area, right behind the windscreen, I'm sorry. This will also add a little bit more personality. And then here we have, this piece here is the glove box kit. Protect that glove box with this carbon fiber kit right here. It's a 5-piece kit. I had another one before that was just 2 pieces, and 3 pieces, I'm sorry, and I couldn't understand how to get it fitted on the box, on the bike. So this 5-piece kit here, I think it's more in line with what I was looking for. And then last, of course, but not least, is the ignition key kit, that ignition dome. So these bits will definitely add a little bit more, I don't know, a nicer look to the Can-Am. But before we actually install it, or before I put it on, let me go outside and take a look at the actual Can-Am so I could show you what it looks like without those bits. And then after I install the bits, I will show you again what it looks like. I'm expecting that the bits will set it off a little bit. So let's see what it looks like. So here's Emerald, and this is how she look right now. So the knee panel kit will go here on both sides. The control panel kit will come here, and then of course the buttons here, that other smaller kit will encapsulate these buttons here. The ignition kit will go around here, and then we have the glove box piece that will go up top as well. And I'm going to go ahead and install those, and then we'll take a look and see how it looks afterwards. All right, welcome back. So I just finished installing the carbon fiber attachment to my Can-Am. So this is the knee area kit, the glove box. This piece here, it looks much better, and I think it really sets the bike off a little bit more. I mean, it's already a pretty Can-Am, pretty RT Limited, this emerald blue. But now that I added the carbon fiber bits, really excited about it. I like it. I think it looks a little bit better now. I don't know if you can get a really good picture of it, but these bits I think really set the bike off. I like the nice touch of that Spyder right here. And of course the bits around the ignition system, and also the glove box. There are some more bits that goes around here, and also at the bottom here. I will get those as well. But the next major upgrade that I want to do is the sway bar.
It has a sway bar already, of course. It comes with a sway bar, but there is Baharan sway bar that I've been researching, and from what I understand, it really stabilized the Can-Am in the corners, and it gives a much more solid ride. Not a floaty type ride, from what I understand. I'll do a little bit more research, and the next piece is installing the sway bar on this RT Limited. There's also a jack that I'm looking to get. It's somewhat of a lift that lift the Can-Am up about 22 inches or more off the ground, because I'm going to need that in order to do the sway bar as well. So yeah, that's my next major upgrade. Plus, I need to get some vinyl wrap to add a little bit more character to Emerald here. Perhaps maybe a racing stripe on the front, and also on the sides and on the back. I haven't figured out yet exactly how I am going to do it, but I definitely going to do a lot more upgrades on this Can-Am RT Limited. So there's much more to come. Please stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, again, thank you for tuning in. There she is right here. Most recent modification is the carbon fiber bits that I've added to her. There are more areas that I will add more carbon fiber to, but for now, this should be good to go until I do the sway bar. Then, of course, there are some other things as well that I'm going to do to this thing. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.